Alright, this is the last construction. It's construction 14. C-L14 is the lesson. And this is the first page out of 2, so put your heading. The essential question is, how do we construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle? A regular hexagon, that word regular means that it's a hexagon, which is a six-sided figure, but the word regular means that all the sides are the same length. And we have to draw a six-sided figure where all the sides are the same length inside of a circle. So the homework is C-HW14, which is to complete a handout, and you can see YouTube video C-L14 for help. So the warm-up is to solve the following problem, and that's to construct a square inscribed in a circle. That was the problem that we did in the last construction, construction 13. So if you need help on how to do that, you can go to that construction. You're going to do it in the space provided below. Then you can turn this over. Okay, the heading for this side is construction 14, regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. You're given nothing. Your task is to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. Your directions: number 1, do the same thing as construction 12, except for the last step, connect every intersection point. Remember, construction 12 was to construct a equilateral triangle using the circle method. Okay? And the result will be that you have constructed a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. So let's see how to do that. Put your heading. This is page 2 out of 2. The example problem is construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. So I'm going to move my page down, and in the middle of my page I'm going to make a circle of any size that I choose. I'm going to make it so that you guys can see it. So I won't make mine too big, but definitely not too small. Okay, that should be good. And I'm making it in the center of my page. Okay, then I have to put a point on the upper right circumference. Then, using the same length, I go around the circle and I make arcs that intersect the circumference of the circle, all at the same distance, okay, which is the length of my radius. And you keep going around until what happens is you end up right back at the beginning. Okay? So here's what you have. Now, in construction 12, we connected every other point, but in this one, we're going to actually connect every single point of intersection. So we're going to connect all 6 of those points. So there's one side of my regular hexagon. Here is the second side of my regular hexagon. Here is the third side of my regular hexagon. Here is the fourth side of my regular hexagon. This is the fifth side. Okay. And this is the sixth and final side of my regular hexagon. Okay? Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and all these sides are the same length. That's why it's called a regular hexagon and not just a hexagon. Okay? And that is the final construction. So what you could do now is turn the sheet over and put the checkpoint problem, which is to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. And that is the end of our unit on constructions.